Friends, history is full of incredible moments, but some events are so strange they almost sound like fiction. Here are seven of the most unique and mind blowing incidents that actually happened. Number one, in 1848, something truly astonishing occurred on the night of March 29. People near Niagara Falls noticed the roaring sound had suddenly become strangely quiet. At first, they thought something was wrong with their hearing, but when morning came, everyone was stunned. The mighty Niagara Falls had completely stopped flowing. People walked freely on the dry riverbed where powerful water once crashed down. Rocks that were normally underwater were now visible everywhere. Later, it was discovered that massive ice blocks had jammed at the exit of Lake Erie, temporarily blocking the water supply to the falls. For nearly 30 hours, Niagara Falls ran completely dry. When the weather changed and the ice melted, the water returned. This remains the only time in recorded history when Niagara Falls naturally stopped. Even today, people remember that extraordinary day. Number two, in the late 1870s, in a quiet French town called Poitiers, lived a young woman named Blanche Monnier from a wealthy and respected family. One day, she suddenly disappeared from public view. People assumed she had gotten married or moved away. The shocking truth emerged 25 years later in 1901 when police received an anonymous letter. It claimed that Monier family was keeping a woman locked in a sealed room. When officers investigated, they found a horrifying scene on the upper floor. A dark, filthy, foul-smelling room where Blanche had been imprisoned for a quarterly century. She had become a living skeleton, weighing only 25 to 30 kilograms. Her eyes were extremely sensitive to light because she had not seen sunlight in 25 years. Her own mother had locked her away simply because Blanche loved a lawyer from a lower social class. She was given minimal food and kept in isolation. After her rescue, Blanche was both mentally and physically broken. Her mother died shortly after, and her brother was briefly arrested but later released due to legal technicalities. Blanche spent the rest of her life in a mental asylum. Number 3. In 2012, Australian skydiver Felix Baumgarten decided to attempt something no one had ever done before, jumping from the edge of space on October 14, 2012. She ascended 39 kilometers, nearly 128,000 feet, in a special helium balloon. From that height, Earth looked like a blue marble, just as astronauts see it. Wearing a pressure suit similar to a spacesuit, he jumped from his capsule. He fell for a minute and 19 seconds, reaching to a top speed of 1.25 Mach, breaking the sound barrier without any vehicle. It was both a daring stunt and scientific mission to study high altitude escape for future astronauts. He safely handed in the New Mexico desert after opening his parachute. Millions watched this historic jump live, and the world was left amazed. Number 4. In the 19th century, in Ethiopia, a goat herder named Kaldi noticed his goat acting strangely energetic. They were jumping around excitedly after eating small red berries from a particular tree. Curious, Caldi tried the berries himself and felt a burst of energy. He shared them with monks at a nearby monastery. At the first, the monks thought they were demonic and threw them into the fire, but the pleasant aroma of roasting beans shocked their minds. They brewed the beans on into a drink that helped them stay away during long prayers. Those berries were coffee beans. Thanks to those energetic goats, the secret of coffee gradually spread across the world. It is fair to say that goats played a major role in discovering one of humanity's favorite beverage. Number 5. Stan Lurker from Michigan, USA, suffered from a rare heart condition called familial cardiomyopathy, where the heart can suddenly fail. Doctors said remove his heart, but a donor heart was not immediately available. Modern medicine offered an incredible solution. They implanted a syncardia total artificial heart. This device, powered by a backpack-sized machine weighing about 6 kg, pumped blood using compressor air. Stan carried it everywhere, attending college, playing basketball, and living a relatively normal life for 55 days. 555 days until they finally received a real heart transplant. He continues to live a normal life today. Number 6. On July 25, 2001, resident of Idukki and Kottayam district in Kerala, India, witnessed red-colored rain falling from the sky. People were shocked. Some called it a sign of the end times or divine anger. Scientists were equally puzzled. Initial theories include volcano activity or chemical leaks, but tests revealed tiny red cells in the water. These cells had no DNA yet were reproducing. Some researchers proposed they might be alien cells brought by a meteor or comet. While the theory remains controversial, no 100% confirmed explanation exists even today. Number 7. A man named Bogdan from Serbia claimed to have a unique ability. Metal objects like spoons, knives, coins, and phones stick to his skin without any guide or magnets. He can walk around shirtless with items stacked attached to his chest, back, and arms. Local media covered it widely. Scientists examined him and ruled out magnetic field since the objects were non-magnetic stainless steel. They suggested it might be due to usually sticky skin or surface tension. Whatever the reason, Boken became a fascinating internet sensation. Here are five. These astonishing events remind us that reality can often be far stranger than our wildest imagination. From natural wonders to human resilience, history continues to surprise us with its hidden secrets. Each story highlights how ordinary people can witness or become part of extraordinary. Such as incidents teach us to stay curious and question the world around us every single day. They prove that even in our modern era, mysteries still exist that science has yet to fully explain. Friends, which of these bizarre events surprise you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing true stories from history. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.